Welcome to Mama T's Phonics with Abigail. Hello everyone. My name's Abigail. Let us at this way. Do you want to learn with me? Just learn phonics. 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 Mama T loves phonics. Let's learn.
Phonics. 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 Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics.
I know. Now it's time to sing. La 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 la. The mama and I make many meals. The mama and I make many meals for our hungry children. Again. The mama and I make many meals. The mama and I make many meals for our hungry children. Well done. I know. Let's say it. Yes, say it. Do you know something that begins with moon? Is for moon. Is for macaroni. Is for man. Is for marshmallow. Is for mosquito. Is for mountain. Is for mouse. Is for mom. What's your favourite song that begins with Mine's marshmallow. Yummy. Now it's time to write. Let's write. Can you write? Start at the top, go down, back up, down, back up and down again. We need to practice.
Well, let's try now. Point out your index finger, that's your pointing finger, and turn it on. Now it can write. Start at the top of Go all the way down in a nice straight line. Back up, around, down to the bottom. Back up, around again and down to the bottom. Let's try one more time. Well done.
Now I can write. Can you try? Just find it.
Are you ready for the sound treasure hunt? Let's see what we can find. There's an awful lot of things there that I can see. Can you think of any? Oh yes, there is a mirror. Anything else? Milk. Excellent. Milk. Keep looking. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mug. A blue mug. A mailbox. mailbox. Mail.
Well done. Hello. Now it's time to make an accent. Yummy. Okay, yummy. That is for magic. Abracadabra. That's for microscope. Let's play music. That is for a microphone. Let it go, let it go. Turn away, slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Like the storm river could never bother me anyway. As for mosquito. Mosquito. A mom and a dad make many meals, many meals, many meals. A mom and a dad make many meals for their hungry children. Well done. You learned the sounds. You are so clever. Well done. And I love you so much.
Hey, have you seen our book and phonics game? It's available on our UK Etsy shop. Just look out for Mama T Phonics. If you're not in the UK, you can download these digitally and loads of more resources on Etsy, as well as my Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Links can be found at the top of the YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.
Come back for next video and subscribe.